People sitting on the porch and then on the porch they're talking. Oh. Coming in home, oh, look at that.
This ought to cool things down.
It should. It should.
They say there's going to be a big change in the weather.
Yeah.
Across the country.
This is amazing right here. I never dreamed. Did you?
Well, no, but it come a flood in Lexington the other day. We were out dreaming.
We were down there and it started raining and we left. I had no idea it was that bad. I heard later it's pretty bad in Lexington. Yeah, we were down there. We've been celebrating a birthday and with somebody and look at this though. Oh, this is incredible. Visibility is awesome.
Dave just left, so he's in it.
Who?
Dave.
David. Oh, yeah. This is absolutely beautiful, though. It's beautiful. It really is. And I went up to the cemetery today and watered the flowers. Now, didn't need to.
Yeah. Well, this will clean the air up.
Mm-hmm.
Wash the ground off.